Okay guys, so I'm back with another video, and I really do apologize for keeping you guys waiting. I do have a busy life, but you're probably wondering what kind of haircut you're gonna give this man. What kind of transformation am I looking forward to? So go ahead and enjoy this video, and I hope these tips that I'm gonna show you guys help you improve your skills. Enjoy.
This supposed to be y'all year, we ain't get the memo.
Okay guys, well I guess I'll tell you exactly what I'm gonna do. So my client did come in and ask me that he no longer wanted this long hair. He wanted a comb over. So he did ask me to give him a number 2 on the side and with some, some nice tapers. So right now, as you can see, I'm kind of weighing down the hair so that way I can part out a nice neat line, meaning just to part out into a comb over. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna start to bring down some of these bulk by using one of my favorite comb. I mean, this comb is my go-to. I know a lot of you guys ask like, where do you purchase this comb? If you go on Google and type in 299 flat top comb, I believe there's a website that actually has them. I think they're like 15 bucks, but I'm telling you, man, this comb is worth it. But anyways, you guys, as you can see, I'm bringing down some of this heavy bulk by using my Andis Supras with the 1A detachable blade. Okay guys, so now I'm using the number 2 detachable blade. Okay guys, so since I gave my client a number 2 on the side, I am gonna go back with the 1A detachable blade, just to clean up some of this bulk, and trying to blend as much as I can with this comb. Now to start off this taper, I am going to use the Andis cordless T-outliners just to set up my first guideline. So now I'm using my wall magic clip with an open lever to create a second guideline, and pretty much as you can see, the dark line, I'm not going to go as high as from that point, but as you can see, I'm closing the lever little by little to try to get rid of that first guideline I created. So now I'm using my 1/16 guard with an open lever, and pretty much what I'm doing is kind of trying to blend as much as I can by not creating another hard line and just soften it out. So you witness how the 1/16 guard kind of gave it more of a smoother blend. So now I'm using the 1/8 guard, which is the number 1 with an open lever, and pretty much I'm gonna work as much as I can just to soften out this blend by closing the lever little by little and using the corners. Now for the back taper is pretty much the same steps. Whatever step you did on the side, it is the same steps on the back, you know, doing the back taper. Just remembering every step that you did. So now I'm gonna start to do his lineup, and I know you probably was like, hey man, when you did the clip over comb, you kind of left some weight. Now the detachable clipper wasn't really cutting enough, you know, enough weight from the top, because it was so thick. I mean, it was just too much hair, so I kind of left it alone. So now I'm gonna end up cutting the top. So what I'm gonna do is kind of, you know, blend in from the side to the top with the shears. Okay guys, so as you can see, I wet down my client's hair and combed everything down. When it comes to doing the shear work, you also want to grab some little bit of hair and face your client facing the mirror, so that way you can give them an example of how much you're going to end up cutting and making sure your client is satisfied with the length. And and being really patient, you don't want to go ahead and grab so much hair and end up losing your guideline. But as you can see how the way I'm kind of combing it, cutting from the side into an angle, I'm trying to blend them. I'm trying to blend this with the number 2 and whatever length is on top. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and style my client's hair and give her some of that volume. Alright guys, I really do apologize. George Cepeda, of course a lot of people know him, but he just came interrupting my video where I was he's over here showing off his team. But anyways, you guys, let's get back to this. Okay guys, so to give it another extra look to this cut, I am gonna apply some hair dye, and I know a lot of people are really against it. A lot against against this, the fact that like, why don't you keep it natural? I mean, come on, man. It's now the barber game is different. People use hair dye to make the cut look even crispier. To make it stand out even more, to make the hairline stand out. It's like a woman, when they go dye their hair, you're gonna talk crap about it, like, oh, you should just kept it all natural. Nah, they want to make themselves look good. So just like men, they want to make themselves look good too, by applying some hair dye on the beard, making the hairline stand out. But if you guys, like, I'm over this with all this hating stuff about, oh, why you keep it all natural. Man, give what the client wants. If the client likes this, give them what they want. Okay guys, well, this is the final look. I really do appreciate for taking your time to watch this video. I really do apologize for keeping you guys waiting, but anyways, you guys, this is the cut. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. All right, you guys, until next time.